Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and guess what I got? The crafting bug. I've got the DIY in mind. I know it's been a long time for the Dollar Tree DIYs, but I saw, like, as I was walking by, I'm like, oh, I got it. So what happened? I saw my little fabric roses, and I saw my little cross, my wooden cross, and then I always have a bunch of these guys laying around, and I also have a bunch of these guys laying around. So anytime I go to a garage sale or like a Goodwill or something, I always look to see if they have Scrabble, because I could usually pick them up for $1 or $2, and then I've got all the Scrabble pieces. So let me go ahead and we are gonna get started. All right, so we've got our wooden cross, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take this little guy and get rid of that. If you wanted to, you could fill it in with some wood putty, and sand it down and make it nice, but we're just gonna cover it up. So I've got my glue gun, which I haven't had out in ages. Oh my gosh, I don't know what happened. I just was not crafty. I couldn't come up with stuff, but I feel like I've got a cute one coming. So what I'm gonna do, you could paint this if you want. I'm not going to paint it. I am going to take my little W. We're gonna add some glue there. Not too much, because you don't want it to pop out the sides, but this one's gonna be going into the middle there. So I've got my W. And this would look so cute on a tiered tray. And then I'm gonna get my E. You could also do like love, you could do a family name, whatever you'd like. But I'm just gonna line those little guys up best I can. Got the L here. Again, you don't have to put too much. This glue is the Gorilla Glue. It works really well with wood. And I'm just looking here to make sure it is going straight. And I just love that it's going to be wood on wood, and then some nice little flowers here. It is off just a little bit. That's okay. It's mine. You can do yours however you'd like. Another thing you could do is add some ribbon down the bottom of it if you wanted to. Like a nice slab of ribbon there would be nice. I'll have to tell you, I had to search and search for the M. I went through all of them and finally found one, and it is a slightly different color, but again, I'm okay with it. It's mine. It's going in my home on my little tiered tray, most likely. Maybe not. I'm actually thinking of another place it could go. And then we've got the E there, and they're all kind of nice, and doesn't that look cute just as is, you guys? You can put a little hanger. Oh no, it's got a little spot right there. You can hang that right on your wall. But I wanted to add some of these little flowers as well. But before we add the flowers, well, I'm gonna get out 6 of these little blocks, right? So we are gonna put these little blocks, because I want mine to be standing. So we're gonna put the blocks right here. Can you see what I'm doing there? So we're gonna put a block right here, just like that. And then I'm gonna flip that, well, I'm not gonna flip it over yet, because I want you guys to see when I put my roses on. And I'm gonna move this over just a little bit like that. And you wanna do it while you are flat like this, so you know that you're getting that flat. And then that will be flat as well. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over on this side. My glue wants to, I need a new piece of glue. There we go. There we go. Again, flat. So you know exactly where that's going. So you see that? Now, I have 6 of them because I'm gonna put them on the other side as well. But first, I wanna get those roses in here. And those roses are gonna somewhat cover up those blocks. So they come like this, and which is fine. I am perfectly fine with that. I'm gonna put some here and here, and I'm even gonna put a little bit on that to keep it all nice and pretty. And then I'm gonna put that down, kinda going up, kinda going out, just like that. See that? Then I'm gonna take one more. I only want 3. I'm gonna get some heavy duty scissors. And this one I'm gonna cut really close to the edge there, because I'm gonna stick that little guy right in here, just like that. So we're gonna get some glue on there. Can you believe how quick and easy this one is? That's what I like. I like quick and easy. That is just beautiful. And look, it's standing by itself, but again, I want this on a tiered tray, so I am gonna do the other side as well. And what are we gonna do? We're almost done. Now, if you want, you could take this little guy off, and then you could put another grouping, right? You could put the word love, you could put the word home, you could put Jesus, you could, whatever you'd like, you could put on here and make it so it goes all the way around. I am just loving this. So we're gonna go again. We're gonna put a piece there. We're gonna stand that little guy up and put it right across from where it already is. That one's going straight down. Now you can see it's already standing, no problem. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. I already know where the first one is. So we're gonna put that one down, and we're gonna line that up as well. And then this last one here, and there we go. So your bottom looks like that. Now, if you needed more height, add more cubes. Put them in between. Make it like fun, right? So you could put one here, and then do another 3, and you can get the height that you need. So I think this is super cute. Let me know what you think. That is a quick and easy DIY. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I'm gonna try and do more DIYs because I feel like I have the mojo. And for those of you who ask, this is the, what is this? It's from Stampin' Up! And the glue does not stick to it. So you see that glue came right up. So it's a silicone mat. Alrighty. So you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.